Yeah, interrupted. You was looking at what were you?
I do not want him cutting my yard. Thanks, but
I
no
know.
thanks.
Keep going.
Oh.
Check this Camaro out. What's this? Dodge or Chrysler? I got this one. Studebaker. It's a rare one here. Studebaker's a rare one.
There's that one down there. Got that one.
You talking about that red and white one on there?
That one was beautiful.
I'm gonna go check it out. Shit, we should get a fucking drink. Scratch that off YouTube. Scratch that off YouTube. We don't drink over here at Secret Cars. We swim. I'm just messing with you.
You don't swim.
I swim in the liquor. Wake up, drink. Wake up, drink. What you see?
The interior.
Red and white. Picnic basket. Man, I should have registered mine. See, next time I'm registering my A6 for cars. Next time we put our stuff on the lot. We ain't just gonna come get footage. We gonna take home a trophy. You dig? Because I'm definitely crapping on a couple of these. I think the GoPro get better footage. So the battery's going low a little bit. I'm trying to save. And that's kind of regular there. Let's go find the cherries. I can tell you, a lot of people probably thought it was gonna rain, and they're like, I'm not coming out, man. At that point, something like Christine or whatever. But it's not Christine. But it's something like Christine. Man, I can do some stuff with that, though. Yeah, my bro used to ride that one. I had a 63 like that. But it wasn't as clean as that. But I kept it clean, you feel me? Yeah, she definitely put you in the mind of Christine. Christine was a Chrysler, I think. This is Chevy. Gangster white walls. Excuse me. Red dice. Oh, I definitely be flamed up in this, you know what I mean? You see your boy sporting that red flag in this one. I sport that mother anyway, you feel me? Red bub still in my lungs. Check this out. No, not this. This is Ford. A Dart is a Dodge.
Not like a plum.
A plum, you talking about the color? Yeah, that's like a Did we get this one?
I've seen a lot of these. Really small.
So pretty.
Yeah, you on the same thing?
So pretty.
Ain't
Let's do a
she?
Facebook Live too. So pretty.
Yeah, it is.
Man.
I wonder how one of these joints ride. Like, is it a rough ride? Or is it like a soothing ride? Or is it like pure torque takeoff ride? You just feel power at every stop sign. You just feeling ready to go. If y'all know, y'all like, I mean, you definitely gonna like, share, and comment, but I need you to comment on this. How you think these ride? Would y'all ride in one of these? I think I'll put some fatter wheels on it though. Let's go check some of this up, yo. I don't think we got this one. It sounds like a rat ride. It might be a rat ride. tires. They're like about 15 deep. 383 stroker. Special muscle edition. Nice car. Special muscle edition of Sick for Cars. Beautiful. Definitely a neck jerker there, bro. I tell you that. 383 stroker.
It's like, oh
Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Yeah. I got a channel I'm trying to get Sick for Cars going. Car channel and stuff. Yeah, on YouTube. I ain't on channel 4 or nothing like that. But he had one of these though, bro. The motor. Right on, baby.
Hey, she's right here.
I'm getting to that. Woo! Look at that right there, boy. Yeah, you not gonna get there. Look at that motor in there. Don't get too close to it. Don't get too close.
Just pop your eyes like hell.
Yeah, man. Don't get too close to it. Look at that. Ooh, Coyote Duster. Beautiful, beautiful. Larry ride around one of these is cute, man. That's panty drop it up, boy. I tell you that, man. Sorry. I like those. I think we used to ride those back in the day, the Deuces or Boyds or something. Boyd Cuttington rims. And it's real pretty right here.
Better get Chevy rolling.
Yeah, I see that. They definitely be putting years of work and money into these things. Oh, he got the keg in the back. Oh, that's how I would ride.
Hey, that's what I'm trying to tell you, cuz. If you had that, you would never be at home. I know you.
Man, problem is I'll be sitting in the back on the side of the motherfucker like always. Well, you giving a raffle off or something?
361
355
397
I just want a Camaro, y'all.
379.
I don't know. Can I trade that for another one looking ass nigga?
Pictures taken up here at
It's the same guy. My husband owns them both.
Hey, he's a car lover for sure.
This is
Lot
the
of-
first time we had this. We just got it.
And he was getting close to it. I'm like, what are you doing? People break your leg. Oh, no, that's sacrilegious. Oh. Yeah. No, they don't understand. I hate that too. Like, no, you get too close to his work of art. Wow. And you didn't lash out at, boy, I don't know. That's a lot of work goes into these cars and love. And just to see somebody like, oh, yeah. What are you doing?
That one he's had, it's a 72. His parents bought it in 73. Oh, wow.
Oh.
He had it, just redid all of it. So this is like his baby right here.
Original owner, basically. One owner type thing.
We had that many miles on it. His parents got it.
So you gotta sit on them over the years, you know, take care of them, something like that.
How many miles
I love it.
now? We've done quite a few on it the last couple of years because we just got it redone. And we've been doing like a octane tour, the road tour and stuff. So,
Is it possible you can lift the hood up? I'd love to see what's. Oh, look at that. Nice, beautiful, beautiful.
David, how many miles is that?
30? Man, this car is family. It's beautiful, man.
Thanks.
Yeah.
440.
340 in this one.
Just 44, yeah.
340, 440.
Just got
Nice job on both of them.
Oh, well, it's his car now. It was
You just got it?
our car. it was theirs. It's his parents.
Hey, going through the family, I guess. Huh?
No, it's actually my son's name.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So it don't go far from where it started. Keep it under the family.
Actually, we live catty corner across the street from each
Oh, that's beautiful.
You can tell he puts it in his friend's backyard someday and sets it in weeds and grows up. And
Don't let that happen.
Had to come save and rescue. But you guys did a beautiful job with it.
Yeah, but it was in pretty bad shape. And he got it, and then he raced it, racetrack, and then it didn't, the body-wise didn't take care of that.
Yeah.
Well, he didn't do anything for quite a while, and then he started wanting to choose.
He had it in Car Craft magazine.
Yeah. Yeah,
Wow,
when he
so
was
this is a
racing
famous
it.
car.
Yeah. When he
There's
was
a lot of
racing
history
it,
with this.
it used to be red. What was the original?
It was blue.
Blue, and then red, and now you're right.
Man.
Yeah.
I tell you, I like these older cars better than I like the new ones they got. I'm like,
These are easier to fix. The other ones come with all the batteries and you got
these are more, I think these are more rugged and everything. Like, this is a real car.
The other ones come with motors and you got a motor for the window.
And it's a lot of personality. I don't mean to cut you off, sorry. A lot of personality in the older cars that you don't get in the newer cars. Like, you see
work on
yeah. Really. I love this. Yeah, especially that Coyote dust, man. Wonderful.
Now you take it to the shop and spend a couple thousand to get it running.
At least.
See, we gotta keep the Camaro, just put it on the. Did you guys have to register to pull it on the lot? Like, put your cars up here or just.
You'd have to have them. I don't think so. They would.
Oh, I should have brought my Camaro. I got a Cadillac over there. I got some look real nice. But I said I need to come get some footage. But I guess these two here would definitely be the showstoppers. Yeah. I got to give it to them, especially. Look at that.
That was next to the road.
You guys have some amazing cars. Nice talking to you guys. That is beautiful. Yeah, what's the other one? Did we get this one? What? There you go, baby. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. Did we get this one? Oh, they got the new Bronco out here too. How you going?
Yeah, it took 18 months.
See, it's a couple things.
Yeah, but my camera. My camera.
Yeah.
I won't take no more.
What's up, man?
Turn around.
I see him. Got that Malibu and that new Bronco out here. See, it's all looking at couple. This is how it is, baby. And they brought the baby into it too. We definitely gotta get the foreigns, yeah. Sleeper. Right there, yeah. How you guys doing? All right. Come to look at these beautiful cars. Subaru, ain't it?
Hey, what color is it?
No, I don't have my
It's Ford.
It's Ford.
Oh, it's nice. I think this is Subaru.
Very, very nice.
Yeah, ain't it?
Very, very.
All the bells and whistles on it. Diffuser on the back. Subaru. See how I like how you got the going there. Don't get too close, Cutie.
Go ahead, kid.
Yeah.
Let's go right there.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's up in the truck.
Yeah, this is Subaru right here, I believe. I'm sorry,
Oh,
baby.
that's a Ford.
Oh, okay.
You haven't kept before? That right there.
Okay, 6 of cards. We're gonna get ready to get up out of here.
You down here too, you seen it?
I seen everything.
I'm putting my camera out.